Dear children, if we take some baking soda and taste it, the baking soda appears to have a bitter taste. And if we rub a solution of baking soda between our fingers, it feels soapy to touch. The substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy to touch are known as bases. To learn about the slippery nature of a base, wash your hands with a soap. You will find the soap to be slippery. This is because soap is made from a base mixed with a vegetable oil. Do not taste or touch any base without knowing about its nature because sometimes it may cause blisters in the mouth and on your hands. So be very careful. Okay? What is a base, children? The substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy to touch are known as bases. A base, when dissolved in water, gives hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions means OH ions. When bases are added to acids, they neutralize the effect of acids. A substance which can neutralize an acid to form a salt and water is called a base. Bases have bitter taste, and you know that bases turn red litmus to blue. Some of the examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. A base which is soluble in water is called an alkali. The above mentioned bases are soluble in water, so all of them are alkalis. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are found in soap. Potassium hydroxide is used in making of soft soaps or bathing soap. Sodium hydroxide is used in washing soap. Calcium hydroxide is found in lime water. Magnesium hydroxide is found in milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a white milky suspension of magnesium hydroxide in water. It is used as an antacid, means as a medicine for treating acidity of the stomach. Ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaners. Sodium carbonate is found in washing soda. Washing soda and sulfuric acid are used in fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are red painted metal cylinder with a nose. These two chemicals react to give out carbon dioxide in a jet which pumps in, putting out fire. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is found in baking soda. Like acids, bases can also be strong and weak. Some of the weak bases are calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. The strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and sodium carbonate are weak bases, but their solutions are not safe to drink. Magnesium hydroxide is a very weak base which is safe to drink. It is used in milk of magnesia and other indigestion mixtures. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also a very weak base which is used as an antacid to cure indigestion. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are dangerous bases which can burn our skin. They must be handled very carefully. In manufacturing soaps, both potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide are used in saponification. That means a process that converts fat into soap. We know that some of the sugary food eaten by us is converted into acid by the bacteria present in our mouth. And this acid causes tooth decay. The toothpaste which we use for brushing and cleaning our teeth is basic in nature. Since toothpaste is basic, it neutralizes the acid in our mouth and hence prevents tooth decay. Next is neutral substances. Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Being neither acidic nor basic, neutral substances do not change the color of any indicator. Some of the neutral substances are pure water, glucose, cane sugar, and common salt.